Hi, I'm Raj. I'm here to give you a quick demo of how Pulse works with Zoom to automate status in Slack. For those of you that are familiar, Pulse is a helper app that runs on your Mac or Windows desktop up here in the top tray or in your bottom Windows, top bar or your bottom Windows tray. And we have integrated with Zoom. So you can open up Pulse settings here. You can jump into Zoom. You can connect your Zoom just with your normal Zoom credentials. And then you have options. You can choose to share, obviously share when you're in a meeting, but you can choose to share attendee names. You can choose to share the meeting titles. And we're adding more and more options as more things become available through their APIs. How this manifests into the Pulse, into your Slack experience here. We can see a bunch of automatic sort of statuses that are being enabled through Pulse. I can see Jag is in a meeting, Joseph's in a meeting, Rolf's in a meeting. We see the title, we see who they're meeting with, obviously all user configurable. The neat thing is it's super accurate. So if you leave that Zoom meeting, it immediately updates your status. So it's not representing that calendar with a bunch of blocks that aren't that you didn't actually attend. And then what's really cool and something very sort of unique to how we do this with Pulse is we show fruit to sort of represent who's in the same meeting. So I can see Jag and Joseph and Basish are having a discussion, Jeff and Rolf are having a discussion. We're really turning your Slack experience into a virtual office. Gives you that really quick sense, like who's around, who's talking to who and whatnot. Very common problem. I hit this all the time. I got to jump into the meeting. It's stand up. I'm running late. Like, oh, what's the link? Maybe they forgot to put it in the calendar or it was a quick ad hoc discussion, whatever it is. I can go to Jag in this case, and I can just type the /pulse command because I use an internal version. The command is slightly different. And it will pull up the latest sort of presence information for Jag as auto status. And right there, I have the link. And so I can jump right into the meeting. Super, super awesome. And it's all done in sort of a secure way. So it's, it knows who I am and it knows I can join that meeting. So that's a quick demo of how Pulse works with Zoom to automate your status in Slack. We hope you go and try Pulse with Zoom. You can get more information at getpulse.team or get started right here from the Zoom App Store. Thanks.